Greetings. I am a representative of the anti-Semite movement. These videos are AI assisted and are not edited. The subject is fear no one or nothing but God. As anti-Semites, we must be fearless leaders to guide people to God's sin-free order of righteousness. We possess a unique set of characteristics and godlike attributes that enable us to navigate challenges, inspire others, and drive positive change. Here are some key traits associated with our fearless leadership. Courage. As a fearless leaders, we are not immune to fear, but we have the courage to face it and move forward. We take calculated risks, make tough decisions, and confront challenges head on, having faith in the power of our righteous, sin-free living by God's command. Resilience. As a fearless leaders, anti-Semites bounce back from setbacks and failures. We view obstacles as opportunities to learn and grow, demonstrating strength in the face of adversity. As we know, God has a protective, positive force around us as we act in righteous conduct and behavior. Confidence. Having confidence is a crucial attribute of anti-Semites being sin-free as fearless leaders. We believe in our God-given abilities and decision-making qualities, which instills confidence in our sin-free stance against sinful behavior. Visionary thinking. As fearless leaders, we have a clear vision of the direction God guides us by his commands and where God wants us to go, and we can articulate this sin-free vision to others. We inspire and mobilize others in righteousness by communicating a compelling and attainable future by God's grace. Adaptability. In a rapidly changing world, as fearless leaders, we are adaptable. We embrace change, stay open to new ideas, and are willing to adjust our strategies as needed, as long as these strategies do not conflict with God's commandments. Decisiveness. As fearless leaders, we make timely and informed decisions. We understand that decisions can create uncertainty, and we not afraid to make tough choices when necessary. We remain positive and in line with God's divine will. Integrity. As fearless leaders, we operate with integrity and the ethical principles and practices of divine laws. We build trust by being honest, transparent, and consistent in our actions and behavior, and decision-making as well, guided by God. Empathy. Despite our fearless stance as an effective leader, we also exhibit kindness, understanding the needs and concerns of our members, family, and community. We foster a supportive and cooperative environment. Strategic thinking. As fearless leaders, we think strategically and have a long-term perspective. We align our actions and behaviors with overreaching goals and ensure that our short-term decisions contribute to God's overall vision of sin-free living. Strong communication skills. As fearless leaders, we are effective communicators. We articulate God and our visions, expectations, and see our way clearly. A culture of truthful, open communication within and amongst all persons we contact. Humility. While confident, as fearless leaders, we are also humble. We acknowledge our limitations, seek input from others, and recognize the collective efforts of the anti Semite community. Commitment to learn. As fearless leaders, we are continuous learners. We seek new knowledge, stay informed about industry trends, and encourage a culture of learning within our organization. Emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence. As fearless leaders, we stay in tune to our own emotions and the emotions of others. We navigate complex interpersonal dynamics and lead with kindness, goodness, and understanding. Initiative. As fearless leaders, we are protected. As fearless leaders, we are proactive. We take the initiative to identify positive opportunities and righteous challenges, and we motivate each other to do the same. Inspirational leadership. As fearless leaders, we inspire and motivate one another to achieve greatness. We lead by example, bringing forth a positive and energizing atmosphere. Remember that these characteristics are developed and refined over time through our obedience, submission, and practice of God's mighty commandments. And as an effective leader, we always work on cultivating these qualities throughout our life and sin-free careers. Leadership is a continuous journey of growth and self-improvement as servants of God.